Hello, turf cleaning business owner or aspiring turf cleaning business owner. My name is Ty Stevens, and I'm also known as the turf cleaning ads guy because I specialize in helping turf cleaning businesses grow with advertising, websites, and automated sales systems. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get 10 turf cleaning jobs per week for free with a website. Now, here is the opportunity that nobody is talking about. Turf cleaning is one of the newest service industries in the country, and most markets have fewer than 3 competitors even attempting to show up on Google. Now compare that to something like pressure washing, plumbing, or landscaping, where you're fighting hundreds of established businesses with years of SEO built up. In turf cleaning, the door is wide open. So here's what's actually happening on Google. If you go to Google right now and search turf cleaning near me or artificial grass cleaning in your city, what you'll probably find is a couple of directory listings, so Yelp, Thumbtack, or 1 or 2 competitors with basic one-page websites, maybe even a national franchise that doesn't even serve your area. Turfresh. That's it. That is your competition. Meanwhile, homeowners, property managers, and HOAs are actively searching for these services every single day. And there's almost nobody there to catch that traffic. So here is why most turf cleaning websites do not work. Most guys in this industry fall into one of 3 buckets. Either 1, no website at all, you're running entirely off of referrals, Facebook, and yard signs, which works until it doesn't. Number 2 is you have a basic one-page site that has a logo, a phone number, maybe a few photos. Google sees it, but there's no reason to rank it for anything. Number 3, you have a templated site from their CRM or lead gen provider, which looks fine, but there's 0 unique content. There's no blog, no location pages, and Google treats it like every other cookie cutter site. None of these are built to generate organic leads. They exist, but they don't work. Here's what a website built to rank actually looks like. The difference is content volume and intent targeting. Instead of a one-page site that says "We clean turf," imagine a site with a dedicated page for every city and neighborhood you serve. So when someone in Katy, Texas searches turf cleaning Katy, your page is the one that Google serves up, not your competitor 30 miles away. Blog posts targeting every question homeowners are Googling. How often should I clean artificial turf? Does fake grass smell when it's hot? Is turf cleaning worth it? Every post is another entry point into your business. Service pages for every offering. Pet turf deodorizing, turf brushing and grooming, commercial turf maintenance, residential turf cleaning. Each one targeting different searches. When you add all of that up, you're not building a website. You're building a lead generation machine. Now these are real results, not theory. One of my clients got a website like this, and in the past week alone, they got 10 jobs booked directly from Google Organic Search. No ads, no monthly retainer, no pay per lead. The site has over 200 pages of SEO optimized content, each one designed to rank for a specific search term in a specific area. He paid once for the build, and now the leads just keep coming in. That's the power of doing this the right way while the industry is still young enough that you can actually own your market. Now, what does that mean? Let's say you serve 20 cities in your metro area. Right now, if someone in city number 14 searches for turf cleaning, they're probably finding a directory listing, a competitor in a different city, or nothing useful at all. With a properly built site, you show up in all 20. You're the result in city number 1, 7, and 14, and anywhere in between. Your competitors would need to build the same thing from scratch just to catch up. And by that point, Google already trusts your site more because you were there first. First mover advantage is real, and the window is open right now. So here's what you get if you work with me. A custom designed website, not a template, and not a drag and drop website builder. You'll get sub-location pages for every city and neighborhood you serve, built to rank individually. You'll get blog content targeting real homeowner searches, written, optimized, and published. You'll get on-page SEO across the entire site, title tags, meta descriptions, schema market, and internal linking, including LLM ranking as well. So when someone searches on Claude or ChatGPT for turf cleaning in their area, you will show up because we will build specific pages just for that. The best part is one-time payment. You pay for the build and then you own it. It works for you from day one. No monthly fees for the site, no ad spend required. pay per lead charges. You're investing in an asset that generates leads on autopilot. So here's the bottom line. Turf cleaning is one of the only industries left where you can realistically go from invisible to the number one result in your area, and it doesn't take years to get there. The companies that build for this now are the ones that are impossible to catch in 12 months. So the question is whether that's going to be you or your competitor. Look, here's the next steps if you want to work with me. If you want to see what your specific market looks like right now, how much search volume is out there, who's ranking and who's not, and what a build would look like for your service area, click the link in the description and book your call with me. There's no pitch, no pressure, just the data so you can see the opportunity for yourself. And that's it. Even if you don't end up working with me, you can probably take something from this video and add it into your website to start getting results. And a website and a Google My Business is the foundation to the business in general. And so after this, once you have that solid foundation, then we can also start advertising, because that's the main service I offer to my clients is Facebook advertising, Google advertising. But if you don't have a website, if you don't have Google My Business, if you don't have everything fully optimized first, then you shouldn't start advertising. But once you do, then we can start advertising and the results just get so much better. Anyways, I hope you got some value. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.